Good afternoon, this is Andy with Great Escapes RV. I'm going to take you through our 2022 2840 model Twilight. This is made by Cruiser RV. It's a lighter weight trailer. As you see it sitting here, this has two slide outs. And as you see it sitting here, it weighs about 6,900 pounds, gross vehicle weight rating of about 10,000. So it still remains half-ton towable for many of the half-tons. You can see power front tongue jack, stone guard, very aerodynamic front end, fiberglass exterior to it, so it's aluminum framed as well. There's the pass-through storage. See aluminum carried in the upper portion of the storage area. Power stabilizer jacks on both the front and rear. Power awning, as well as the LED lights that are body side, so you don't need that awning extended to enjoy the lighting. Also, outdoor speakers, aluminum wheels along with the GoodYear tires. It's a heated enclosed underbelly, and it's actually forced air heated. So what that means is there's a heat duct down there, and they actually put it between the holding tanks. So anytime that furnace is kicked on, it's heating it up. It is dual AC. So this comes to us with 50 amp service. And the fiberglass finish, of course, is more dent and ding resistant than what metal exteriors are. And let's take a walk to the inside. And there's a reclining sofa, storage above it, booth style dinette, which also collapses for additional sleeping. Refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop along with the oven. Pull-out kitchen faucet, solid surface countertops, microwave. And all of the windows on that slide open, so very, very airy. Fireplace does have a built-in heater. LED TV above it. Let's go into the bathroom area. There's glass shower enclosure, skylight above. Foot pedal flush porcelain bowl toilet. Nice wardrobe section in the bedroom, area to mount the TV. King bed. Again, windows that open. Something they do on here that I should have touched on. The front AC unit does have a built-in heat pump, so you can, well, if it just takes the chill out of the air, I guess. And it's all linoleum flooring. Anyways, you're going to have some more questions on this. This is one of our clearance specials, and I'll include some pricing details in the description below. Thank you.